future entrepreneurs. Are you dreaming of starting your own online business, but feel held back because you have no experience? Well, I'm here to tell you that your dreams are not only valid, but entirely achievable. First things first, let's talk about the mindset. Starting any business, especially online, requires a mix of courage, persistence, and a bit of creativity. Don't worry about not having all the answers right away. The key is to start where you are with what you have. Now let's dive into the practical steps. The first step is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that can solve a problem or fulfill a need? It could be anything from handcrafted jewelry to offering virtual yoga classes. Remember, the more specific your niche, the better. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to understand your target audience. Who are they? What do they need? And most importantly, how can your product or service improve their lives? This understanding will shape everything from your marketing strategies to your customer service. Next up, setting up your online presence. You don't need to be a tech wizard to start. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, or Etsy can help you set up an online store with ease. Also, leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest can be a powerful way to connect with your audience and build your brand. Lastly, always be ready to learn and adapt. The online world changes rapidly, and staying flexible and open to new ideas will be your greatest asset. Read blogs, watch tutorials, and don't hesitate to seek advice from those who've been in your shoes. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So take that first step, believe in yourself, and start building the online business of your dreams today. You've got this.